Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in this YouTube video, I am announcing my YouTube subscriptions. And I'm really excited because this is something that I have been putting together and working on these perks for my community. Now, you may be wondering, what is this YouTube community subscription that you're going to be offering and what's included? How can it benefit me, right? I'm sure that's what you guys want to know. So that's what I'm going to be getting into. The reason on why I decided to make these memberships and subscriptions are because I truly do want to give more value to my close-knit community. I always put a lot of thought and effort behind my videos, and I want to be able to dive a little bit deeper into these topics and give you some, bonus tips, some pro tips, and really just give you guys some more value. All right, so some of the perks for the memberships are going to be loyalty badges, priority replies, early access to new videos, which I think is pretty cool. So you guys will get to be able to see them before the rest of YouTube. We have shout outs, which I think is pretty awesome. I'm going to be posting more photos and statuses that you otherwise wouldn't see. I'm going to have daily updates on there. I'm going to have exclusive member-only videos. So some of these videos might be complete videos that no one else is going to get to see on YouTube. And some of these videos are actually going to be continuation parts to videos that are available to the public. So for example, today I filmed how to price commercial cleaning jobs, and I'm going to be uploading and posting that for all of YouTube. And then I have an additional 20-minute video of pro tips. I'm also going to be having members only live stream. So I am typically not one to go live on YouTube. However, I am going to be going live for my community, my private community. I'm also going to have members only chat rooms. So we will be able to discuss and have chats around different topics and around different videos, which I think is really freaking cool. Discounts on my merchandise. So I do have a full website made up of different products and services for those in the cleaning industry or looking to start or become a part of the cleaning industry. So anything on my website is going to have discounts come with that, right? So definitely be sure to check that out. Of course, I am going to have members only polls. So I'm going to be posting polls and asking you guys specifically what type of videos you want to hear from me, what type of tutorials, and I can actually base what my videos are going to be on those polls. I'm really excited for this subscription because, as you guys know, everything that I do, I really put my all into. So I promise that I am not going to fail you guys on this subscription plan. I'm going to have a ton of content, really cool videos, behind the scenes kind of. Again, I just want to say thank you to everybody that has liked and subscribed to my channel. I love my YouTube family. I love putting out this educational and informational content because I want to see everybody succeed in this industry and life in general, right? Because a lot of what I teach or talk about can be applied to almost any business. If you guys are interested in joining my YouTube subscription, where I'm going to be having behind the scenes videos, polls, oh my gosh, so many different perks for you guys, please be sure to check out the join now button on my channel.